With sun and moon, the stars and time, the Chronos spins and worlds align. For if you seek the curious heart, your compass true and stars to chart. Beyond this gate, find gardens green and epic worlds to fill your dreams. That's what came in this poem, which we found with this box sent to us from Universal Orlando Resort. And I, Gideon, host of Disney Trivia Live for LaughingPlace.com, is going to open up this box and find out what's inside. Let's go ahead. So I believe the way you do that is by pressing down on these two circles. Oh, okay. Release the latch. Now it is magnetic, so I gotta pull a bit hard. There we go. Ooh. Foam. I'm guessing this is going to be protecting something. And if I remove this, we see... Ooh. This is exciting. What is this? Oh! What's that? This lovely poem has a second side. Let's go ahead and read this. See if it tells us a little bit about what exactly this is. Welcome to the beginning of all that is to come. Your journey to Epic begins now. Inside your exclusive collector's edition of the Chronos. While it may appear to the untrained eyes a tower marking the entrance to the world's most anticipated new theme park, it is actually a portal to the breathtaking new worlds of Universal Epic Universe. Your personal Chronos contains a medallion marking your first destination, Celestial Park, an imaginative world of lush living gardens nestled among shimmering waters. Here, stunning architecture inspired by astronomical and mythological elements surrounds an array of sumptuous tastes and thrills to the senses. In the months to come, you will receive new medallions that reveal other worlds for you to explore. Your Chronos is designed to hold each one, but for now, keep an eye to the stars for what the future may hold. So that's the description. Once again, this is the Chronos, the entrance to Universal's new Epic University Park, and if you look closely at it, you'll see that there are 4 empty slots for the 4 more medallions that we will be getting. And if you want to see those new medallions, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with when we get those, as well as all the new Epic Universe news as it breaks. Once again, my name is Gideon with Laughing Place and Disney Trivia Live, and until we have any new Epic Universe updates, so long everybody.